Okay, let's talk about why you would want to have workman's comp coverage for your, let's say, 1 or 2 employees, even if the state says you don't have to have this coverage. The most important component of a workman's comp policy is that it is considered the sole remedy. When we say that, means that if you have a workman's comp policy in place, you cannot go after the corporation or the principals in that corporation or the sole proprietorship, whoever it is that's writing the paycheck, because they have instituted a policy that covers any workplace injury. And that's really, really important because it's technically the only safeguard that allows employers of any type, whether you're an individual, like a home-based employee, or an LLC, or a sole prop, or a C Corp, or S Corp, it doesn't matter what type of structure you are. This is the only thing that says, stop, you can't go after me for something else. So a perfect example that I'll use as an example because it's experience is, let's say there's a hole in the roof, or there's a problem with the roof where when you send an employee up there to do something, it's possible they could fall through and get seriously injured, okay? Now, you're thinking that's not gonna happen. I didn't have them do work on that side of the roof. What I'd ask them to do is go up and do this little thing over here. So there was no need for me to disclose, okay? No need. So this is what you're thinking, but instead the employee goes up there, they think they're cleaning out a gutter or fixing some little latch or grabbing something in a specific place, and they inadvertently walk over to the side where there is a problem and they fall through the roof, breaking their pelvis, leg, whatever, okay? If you as the individual should have known that and disclosed that, and you do not have a workman's comp policy to cover that injury, more than likely you are going to be sued. And it doesn't matter if you're negligent or at fault, it doesn't matter, okay? That injury is considered your fault as an employer. So there's a much broader definition of responsibility when you're an employer. When you pay anybody to do anything, you have a lot more responsibility than the employee. So bottom line, even if you put state minimums, even if you just do it for a household employee, I definitely suggest you put in a workman's comp policy, check it, forget about it. We cover stupid, we cover ridiculous errors in workman's comp. It is really important to keeping you out of court. Thanks.